YouTube, welcome to the shop. Got another deal of the week here. Found me some actual milk crates. These aren't the cheap ones that you sometimes find at the Walmart, Target, you know, that are really brittle and thin, that if you drop it, it shatters. This is actually, I think it's legit. I think it's 670. It's pretty thick plastic. It's the softer types. In other words, if you drop it, it's going to indent instead of shatter. Got your handles all the way around it. Pretty thick webbing. I'd have to say this is probably, you know, 3/8 inch thickness in that way. I mean, it is only webbing, but it's pretty stiff. These are stackable, so I don't know if you can see there or not. It's got the little ridge on it, so it won't move around. I'm basically going to use this to put stuff in up underneath my test bench, but one thing that if you're going to be having these on the floor, you might want to consider doing one thing that I did is I put casters on one of them. So now I can just slide the sucker around. It's no big deal. I can stack 2, 3, or 4 of these high. If I wanted to, I can't really do more than 2 because it won't fit underneath my bench, but it's a decent way, you know, for storage. It's cheap, it's easy. You can get the casters at the Home Depot as well. So yeah, let me know what you think.